We've arrived in Tajikistan, the very first stop on CGTN special reporting series, the Central Asia Expedition. My first impression of the people here was immediate. Their incredible hospitality. We ran into a roadside bazaar, and before I knew it, I was invited by a warm group of locals to share their lunch. But they shared with me more than just food. They were talking about a major highway rehabilitation project supported by China since 2006. This improved road has also transformed the lives of these vendors. Since the highway opened, more trucks and cars pass through, boosting their businesses. Before I left, they taught me a phrase in their language.
We just said China and Tajikistan go together.
And that's exactly what I felt. For my next episode, I will be visiting this very highway construction site, meeting with the Chinese and Tajik workers who are building these connections. Stay tuned for more of our Central Asia expedition.